Tori Keel-Schultz here. I'm with Eric Fox. He's a gentleman from American Waterworks. It is January, which is Radon Awareness Month. So, Eric, tell our guests why it is so important to know about radon.
Why it's important is to understand that it is the second leading cause of lung cancer. You know, dealing with that, breathing it in, it's within your home. Like, I know I'd want to get rid of it if it was going to cause some damage to my lungs.
Right. So, what is radon?
Radon is just a natural gas. You know, getting a little more technical, it's a breakdown from uranium to radium, and that process releases that gas called radon, which eventually makes its way through the soil and into our homes.
And now it's completely odorless, right?
Correct.
And invisible.
Yep.
So you're not going to be able to go around and sniffing on, go, no, I think we're good.
Yeah.
You're going to want to get tested. Now, you said about the second leading cause of lung cancer is from radon. First leading cause, you could ask 100 people, they're going to say it's from smoking. So what is a good analogy of smoking to radon?
Great question. So radon is measured by picocuries. You know, technical term you don't need to worry about, but what we need to understand is 1 picocurie is equivalent to 2.5 cigarettes. So EPA guideline sets the bar at 4, right? And you got a 4, you test it, you got a 4, it's like, hey, I feel good. But are you okay with smoking 10 cigarettes in a day? You know, if the answer is no, then we're going to definitely want to lower that level.
So how can American Waterworks help an individual, a family, get tested in their home? Tell us about that process.
Yeah, absolutely. So you give us a call, we'll set up an appointment, we show up, we'll set up a test of some fashion, right? There's 2 versions we can do. We can do either just a charcoal test, very simple and easy, or a continuous monitor test. Either way, we'll find out what the results are, help you out with that. With that, we'll also give you a design of how we could fix it, right? So you get those results in, you find that you have a level of 3, that's too high for you, we'll give you a solution. If it's 15, we got a solution for that too,
right? Eric Fox here at American Waterworks. January is Radon Awareness Month. Let American Waterworks help you today.